Hello everyone, welcome back to Ekraft Geeks. In today's video, we are going to be discussing the topic trackball. As you can see, here are the following contents we are going to be doing in today's video. The following contents are introduction, history, working, advantages and disadvantages, and applications. So let's begin. Introduction. So, what exactly is a trackball? A trackball is a pointing input device consisting of a ball held by a socket containing sensors to detect a rotation of the ball about two axes, like an upside down mouse with an exposed protruding ball. The user rolls the ball with the thumb, fingers, or the palm of the hand to move a cursor. The trackball serves the same purpose as a mouse, but it is designed with a movable ball on the top, which can be rolled in any direction. After learning what is a trackball, let us now learn its history. The trackball was first invented by Tom Cranston and Fred Longstaff in 1952, that is basically 11 years before the mouse was invented. Before the advent of the touchpad, small trackballs were common on portable computers where there may be no desk space on which to run a mouse. Some small thumb balls clip onto the side of the keyboard and have integral buttons with the same function as mouse buttons. Working of a trackball. As you can see, here is a diagram of a trackball. It contains of 5 components. One is the trackball itself with the slotted chopper wheel, metal rod, optical sensor and trackball roller. A trackball consists of a stationary handrest which is usually larger than a mouse that contains a round trackball set in a socket which allows it to rotate freely. We can rotate the ball with our thumb and the sensor detects the movement along two perpendicular axes which in turn moves the pointer on the screen. Hence, after learning about the trackball and its history and working, let us now know the advantages and disadvantages. In advantages, space is of minimal quantity. The traditional mouse needs to roam and needs its own mouse pad to travel. However, a trackball mouse needs neither. At times, when a user is browsing a website rather than typing, it is possible to hold a trackball in the hand like a television remote control, operating the ball with the right thumb and pressing the buttons with the left thumb, thus giving the fingers a rest. A trackball mice comes in all sizes as per user's needs. However, the only disadvantages of trackballs are they do not tend to skip and flow more smoothly than mice or touchpads. Some users also incur unacceptable fatigue of the thumb due to the trackballs. Trackballs are by their nature asymmetric. Thumb operated trackballs are not generally available in left handed configurations due to small demand. Now let us come to the final content, that is applications. Large trackballs are sometimes seen on computerized special purpose workstations such as the radar consoles in an air traffic control room or sonar equipment on a ship submarine. In terms of military mobile, anti-aircraft radars and submarine sonar tend to continue using trackballs since they can be made more durable and more fit for fast emergency use. Computer games have also been able to successfully use trackballs in most modern computer games with any slight loss of speed compensated for with an increase in precision. Along with that, trackballs also provide the pointing device in some public internet access terminals. And that was the end of the topic trackball. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Ekraft Geeks. Thank you so much and see you next time.